Current and Chime both provide digital banking services, but they are designed with different features and user experiences, making the better choice depend on what you need from a mobile bank. By the end, you'll know how Current and Chime compare, what each platform offers, and which one may fit better for everyday banking. The main difference is how each app approaches digital banking. Current focuses on mobile banking features that help users manage spending and account activity. Chime provides a digital banking experience built around checking and savings accounts with tools for managing money. Current is designed for people who want a mobile-first account with features that support everyday spending. The app allows users to manage their money digitally and access available account tools through their phone. Chime works more like an online banking alternative. Users can open and manage accounts through the app, handle transactions, and use banking features without visiting a traditional branch. When comparing the two, start with the features you actually need. If you want tools focused around spending management and mobile account control, compare Current's features. If you want a digital banking setup with checking and savings options, compare what Chime provides. The account experience can also feel different. Current focuses on helping users manage their daily money activity through its app. Chime focuses on providing a digital banking relationship with account features designed for regular transactions. Another factor is how each platform handles additional services. Banking apps can include different features, requirements, and availability depending on the user's account and location. Check the current details inside each app before opening an account. Neither option is automatically better for everyone. A person looking for spending tools may prefer one experience, while someone looking for a digital bank account may prefer another. Before choosing between Current and Chime, compare account features, fees, requirements, and any extra services you plan to use. The right choice depends on how you manage your money every day. To summarize, Current and Chime both offer digital banking, but they focus on different user needs. Current emphasizes mobile money management features, while Chime emphasizes digital banking accounts. Compare the features that matter most to you before deciding. If this comparison helped you, like the video and subscribe for more app comparisons.